औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। क्लास 10th subject General Science Physics. Dear students, we have read about resistance and combination of resistances. In previous lecture, we discussed resistance. The resistance, we have already read about the definition of resistance. Now we will discuss combination of resistances. We have two types in which we can combine resistances. Resistances can be combined in series circuit, and resistances can also be combined in joined in parallel circuit. तो प्यारे बच्चों, सीरीज सर्किट में हमने देखा कि जब हम रेजिस्टेंसेस कंबाइन करते हैं तो वहाँ पे हमारा जो वहाँ पे करंट जो होती है या वोल्टेज जो होती है या टोटल वोल्टेज जो होती है कमिंग फ्रॉम द सोर्स क्या रहती है। अब हम डिस्कस यहाँ पे करेंगे रेजिस्टेंसेस इन पैरेलल। व्हेन वी कंबाइन रेजिस्टेंसेस इन पैरेलल, आप यहाँ पे देख लीजिएगा ये डायग्राम प्यारे बच्चों, ये डायग्राम फिगर 12.10 इस पे आप देख लीजिएगा। यहाँ पे ये है बैटरी, दिस इज बैटरी, दिस इज द फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इस डायरेक्शन में, फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, फ्लो ऑफ नेगेटिव चार्ज, फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, कुछ भी कह सकते हैं। दिस R1 रेजिस्टेंस 1, दिस R2 रेजिस्टेंस नंबर 2, दिस R3 रेजिस्टेंस नंबर 3। द थ्री रेजिस्टेंसेस आर ज्वाइनड इन पैरेलल। These three resistances are joined in parallel in this circuit. तो यहाँ से यहाँ जो है फिर इलेक्ट्रिक करंट आ जाती है। यहाँ पे एमीटर है। एमीटर इज अ डिवाइस विच इज यूज्ड टू मेजर इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, एंड दिस इज वोल्टमीटर। वोल्टमीटर is a device, is an instrument used to measure voltage. यहाँ पे वोल्टमीटर से हम वोल्टेज जो है वो देख सकते हैं और यहाँ एमीटर से हम इलेक्ट्रिक करंट देख सकते हैं। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इन पैरेलल सर्किट द करंट flowing through the circuit through resistance 1, resistance 2, resistance number 3, यानी R1, R2, R3. The current flowing through these resistances remains the same. In parallel circuit, the current flowing through resistance number R1, R2, and R3 remains the same, but the current flowing through the resistances in parallel circuit R1, R2, R3 remains different. But the voltage at resistance number 1, resistance number 2, resistance number 3 is same. The total current coming from the battery is equal to the total current flowing through resistance 1, resistance 2, and resistance 3. The total voltage at R1, R2, and R3 is equal to the voltage of the battery. Dear students, when we measure electric current at resistance 1, resistance number 2, resistance number 3, dash, so on, the electric current at resistance 1, 2nd, 3rd remains different, electric current. But the voltage at resistance 1, resistance 2, resistance number 3, etc. remains the same. both the total current is equal to the current coming from the battery and the total voltage is equal to the voltage of the battery. So in parallel circuit, we have different resistances, but voltage at different resistances remain the same. But in series circuit, we have different resistances having same current, but voltage remains different. Voltage remains different. But also in the circuit combined in series, total current passing through resistance 1, resistance 2, resistance 3, etc. is equal to the current coming from the source or battery, and the total voltage as R1, R2, R3, etc. in the series circuit remains different, but the total voltage is equal to the voltage coming from the battery. This is the difference between resistances connected in series and resistances connected in parallel. Dear students, here we will solve this mathematically. Here you will see this is I is equal to I1, I is equal to I1, I2 plus I2 plus I3. By applying Ohm's law, I is equal to V beta R. I is equal to V beta R. I is equal to V beta R1 is equal to I2 is equal to V beta R2. I3 is equal to V beta R3. V beta R is equal to V beta R1 plus V beta R2 plus V beta R3. I beta R is equal to I beta R1, I beta R2, I divided by R3. This means that current जो मैथमेटिकली हमें निकला वो ये निकला कि this includes that the reciprocal of the equivalent resistances of a group of resistances joined in parallel. This is equal to the reciprocal of the equivalent resistances of a group of resistances joined in a parallel is equal to the sum of the reciprocals of the individual resistances. So here we have the current flowing through resistance 1, resistance 2, resistance 3 is different, but the voltage at resistance 1, resistance 2, 3, etc. so on is same in parallel circuit. This is the difference between the series circuit and parallel circuit. So dear students, you have read about combination of resistances in series circuit and in parallel circuit. Now in the next topic we will discuss some other parts of this or some other question, heating effect of electric current or Joule's law we can say in the next lecture. तब तक के लिए शुक्रिया. Thanks.